When we talk about building a legacy through real estate, we have to talk about the one thing that holds it all together: security. Not just locks and alarms, but peace of mind day and night, whether you're home or away. So I'm gonna break down 5 security features every homeowner needs to protect their family, their future, and their home. Your home should have eyes on every single entrance, and video cameras are a great way to start. They give you visibility, real-time alerts, and the power to communicate with somebody outside of your door without having to open it. Exterior cameras on the back and side of your house are critical. With motion detection and floodlights, you're not only watching your home, but you're deterring people who are even thinking about breaking in. Most home intruders will walk away the minute they realize they're being watched. Traditional keys are outdated. A smart lock gives you a ton of flexibility. You can unlock it and lock it from your phone. You can give temporary access codes to vendors or visitors, and you never have to worry about losing your keys ever again. Most cameras integrate seamlessly with your home's design and security system. A monitored alarm system does more than just make a ton of noise. It'll dispatch help. You're gonna want sensors on your doors and windows, motion detection, and sensors that will detect if your windows have been broken. A system that will automatically dispatch fire, police, or paramedics is absolutely critical. The time you save from having to find your phone and call 911 is all saved with the right system. Here's what most people miss. Your weakest point isn't the lock, it's your frame. The most common doors homeowners have, ranging from the worst to the best, are hollow core doors, solid core doors, fiberglass, and steel doors. You don't need to replace your door entirely, but you can upgrade the parts that matter most. Reinforcing your doors with steel strike plates, longer screws, and hinge reinforcements make it exponentially harder to force entry. It's an affordable fix to protect your million-dollar asset. Unfortunately, even with cameras, security, and reinforced doors, nothing is 100%. And in those rare situations where somebody gets through all of your security and breaks into your home, you need to be ready. I am an advocate for being a responsible firearm owner, and I think everybody should be properly trained, have the right storage for your firearm, and have legal protection, which is why I recommend everybody get insured by USCCA. They give you legal protection, expert guidance, and peace of mind in case anything happens. So if you have to protect yourself and your family, you are legally backed and not left alone to figure it out. There is a link in the description of this video if you want to learn more about how to get insured. Last but not least, security goes beyond external threats. Smoke, carbon monoxide, and water damage are just as important to be prepared for and happen more often. California requires smoke detectors on every level of the home, inside and outside of sleeping areas. Water sensors near your water heater and washing machine can alert you before significant water damage is done. These systems protect more than just the structure of your home. They protect your family, your memories, and your financial future. You don't need to turn your home into a fortress to feel safe, but you do need to be intentional. Security isn't about having cool cameras and alarms. It's about protecting the life that you have built. It's about protecting your family, your investments, and your legacy. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And if you are thinking about buying or selling, give me a call and let's secure your legacy.